The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Main effort of the armed forces of Ukraine at Kupiansk direction was concentrated on capturing the settlement of Kislovka, attacked by 3 Ukrainian company tactical groups and foreign mercenaries simultaneously from 3 directions. The enemy succeeded in wedging into the defense and reaching the western suburbs of the settlement. Intense action of our forces and concentrated fire of Russian artillery have resulted in dislodging the Ukrainian units from the suburbs of Kislovka, scattering and driving them back to their initial positions. The positions of the Russian units at the forefront have been recovered. Moreover, the enemy made unsuccessful attempts to launch an offensive by up to 3 companies towards Tabayevka, Orlanka in Kharkov region and Kuzemovka in Lugansk People's Republic. All the attacks have been successfully repelled by Russian forces. Total casualties suffered by the Ukrainian armed forces and mercenaries at the above-mentioned direction constitute over 100 personnel, 4 tanks, 3 infantry combat vehicles and 3 Turkish-manufactured Kirpi armored personnel carriers. In total, 319 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,199 unmanned aerial vehicles, 380 air defense missile systems, 5,677 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 868 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,465 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,496 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.